So now we're going to look at a word problem to illustrate how we can use step functions or piecewise functions to represent real-life scenarios. Go ahead and read the problem for them. Okay, so we're going to use the number of days for our domain, and we're going to start from 0 to 1, right? And then from 1 to 2. So we're going to assume that, there's no difference between the pay for 1.5 days versus, 48 hours. So if you borrow it for 1 day and 12 hours, that's the same pay as when you return it after on or before the 48th hour. So for the third domain, we have like 2 to 3. We're going to continue the pattern until day 5. Go. So the rental company charges 50 for the first day. The first function and the first expression is 50. So it's a constant function for, a fraction of the first day or the first day, and then additional $25 for each additional day. So for a fraction of day 2, you're going to add $25. It's going to be 75 already. For a fraction of the third day, or or for a full 3 days, you add $25 again. So that's 100, and the pattern continues. So that's 150. Looks like a 6. So how are we going to graph that? 0, 1, 2. And then on the y-axis, let's go down. Okay, so from 0 to 1, it's an open circle at 0, 50. And make a line, solid dot at 1. From 1 to 2, so open at 1, close at 2, and it has to be along the line y plus 25. And the pattern continues. So open, line, dot, and this is open, and dot, and then this is 4, so open at 150, dot, and then solid at equal 5. So that's the graph and the function representing this word problem over here. So now you will do a 3 read to do something similar to this.